I'm Basil Steele, CPP, Vice President of Engineering for Peace of Eye Security Solutions, where we are bringing you the science in security. Science should always be able to answer the question why. Why does an apple fall from a tree? Why is the sky blue? In security, why do I need cameras, sensors, barriers, or access control? All of these whys can be answered based on science. At Peace of Eye, we are experts in all aspects of security and can apply that expertise in all phases of our customer security lifecycle. Let me briefly describe how this works. Using our scientific approach, we first answer the question, how does your current security technologies, people, and procedures affect your security system performance? Peace of Eye will then evaluate and tell our customers why their security risk will decrease when various options and fundings are selected. When going from an existing security system to an upgraded option, the trade-off analysis between safety, security, operations, funding constraints, and other regulations is always a major part of answering the question, why? Peace of Eye uses the design and evaluation of physical security systems process as described in the book written by Marilyn Garcia. I was part of the team that developed this process described in the book. I have taught this methodology to many government agencies, universities, and many countries around the world. This book has been adopted by several professional organizations and government agencies as a reference when solving very complex security designs. I have personally used this process to work security designs for my home and some of the most critical facilities for this country.